Bro, I'm shooting a video here. Then from when I finish, I'll call you my brother. Actually, I'm in the middle of a shoot.
Okay, all right, no problems. Call
Yeah,
me when you finish, yeah?
yeah, thank you, bro. How is Jamaica anyway?
Beautiful, beautiful,
Oh,
beautiful.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
what's up, people? My name is Marwa. I'm coming from these many trees everywhere here. You may be wondering what's going on. Even there's another one here. I just discovered it. So you can tell up what we are doing here. So these trees are holding other frames. We call these frames timber frames. Then you can already see we have some iron sheets. I'll be taking you on top so that we can have a view of everything. You can see what is going on there, and you guys will be the judge. Actually, now even the sun is gone because it's supposed to be somewhere there. I don't know if you can see it. It's yeah, but what I'm trying to say is, man, we've been working so hard, and you can tell now nearly the entire house looks like this. That's we are ready. That's because we are ready, or we are preparing for the major slab up here, okay? And that's why you see we have lots of trees here ready to support the slab on top of us here. And from this other side, let me jump. Okay, so remember, this is our first floor. Okay, this is our first floor, but you can tell the place I'm jumping, that's the foundation of this house. Remember, this is called a beam. Before this beam, we still have stones and many other stuff going down there. I already explained that in my other videos, but you can tell, like, even the foundation of this house has no joke, or it didn't have any joke. And you see, and this type of foundation is called floating foundation. Floating foundation is because this place is kind of watery, or how can I say? It's look. See, it's I don't know. It's still like it's soft, okay? But from this side, that's how you see it. That's the house now. But I want to take you up so that you guys can see the progress step by step, how we are working with the masons and how everything is, okay? So let me take you up so that you guys can see where we are. And maybe you guys will be wondering, Marwa, what's happening about this side? So this side here, or this front, this is actually the front side of the house, will have what we call a void. A void is empty space, you know, or just space, okay? So here is our void, and we shall have nothing here for now, okay? This is our void here. This space is our void. But that being said, sorry, somebody's calling me from Jamaica. Hey, Steve.
Yo, what's happening?
Yo, can you?
I haven't spoken to you for 6 months.
Yes, bro. I'm shooting a video here. Then from when I finish, I'll call you my brother. Actually, I'm in the middle of a shoot.
Okay, all right, no problems. Call
Yeah,
me when you finish, yeah?
yeah, thank you, bro. How is Jamaica anyway?
Beautiful, beautiful,
Oh,
beautiful.
all right, bro. I'll give you a call, man. I'll give you a call.
No problems, no
Thank you,
problems.
bro. So sorry for that interruption. Actually, he didn't know, like, I was on tape. So let me take you upstairs, okay? Now we can actually use the word upstairs so that you guys can see what we are doing. I think it's very stable. I'm trying to hold on this, it's more stronger. Okay. Climbing trees is also a skill, you know. So let me do this. Wow, man, look where we are. So this is where we are. See, the house is big. Actually, the house is really big, you know. Now you can step on this, you know. Now you can comfortably step here, comfortably, you know. Hi. My mason tells me I can walk with no fear. Yes. So yeah, and I'm walking like with no fear. So here we shall have some beams passing here. See? So the beams will be running right here. That way, you see, as this other place, see, wow, so you're really working hard, man. Yes, this is very stable, very stable. It has to be stable because it's gonna be carrying a lot of weight, you know. Yes, see, we're going somewhere. The problem is when I'm flying the drone, you might think we already put the slab, but that's not the case. The truth is we're still trying to fix we call them trappers. This iron sheets. Yes, we call them trappers. The ones you see right there. So this is where we are. Actually, this is my drinking water. I just finished drinking it. And this is how it looks like now. Wow. The thing is, the house is big. Okay, the house is really big. It's really big, really big. And maybe now even you can see where we are seeing the sun from, man. Yes, today it's not that goldish. Today the weather is gloomy. That's why it's been raining a lot. Okay, so we're still not yet done because you can see there are some other places to be filled. But I'm showing you technically from this pillar here, okay? From this pillar to the other pillar right there. I don't know if you can see this diagonal. Okay, it's long, man. It's like 75 meters probably. Wow, it's huge. Okay, and this is how the house now looks like, man. Yes, the house is growing. Yeah, I know my last video was saying meet my growing house, but today actually the house is moving up and you can tell. So yeah, you can tell here. These are called trappers, okay? These are called trappers, and these trappers will be the one to trap or to hold the concrete, okay? Because remember, after this we shall have to align metals here, okay? We are missing metals on top here. That will be the next step after ensuring like these trappers are well aligned and we don't have any space left. I mean, every place needs to be something like this at the end of the day, okay? Okay, and you can tell already we are really doing a good job, like really a good job. And even the shape of the house now, you can tell we still need to put more trappers somewhere here, okay? Not just trappers, we need to like put the trees like the ones you see inside right there, rise them up, then put some frames, okay? Okay, Then from there, put the trappers. Okay. So we are still on. We've not really done, or we are not yet done with this step of aligning trappers. Trappers, for those guys who don't know, again I'm repeating, are these metal bars. Actually, the example of those metal bars are right there. Let me walk here as I show you. It's very stable, very stable. You can walk without being fearful. Okay. Yes, you see. So this is where we are. This is where we are. And this is the farthest corner that I'll show you from the other side. And now you can tell from the other side how it looks like. You see. Wow. Yes. Today maybe the sun will not be shining that much, so we may not see the beautiful views that we expect to be seeing here, but maybe from the drone footage you can at least have a glimpse of what we are doing. Please don't confuse this with the slab. This is not the slab. These are just trappers. We are aligning this here so that we can prepare the metals. Will be running all over. You see, actually down there, when you see down there, if you see, there are metals running across, or they are running everywhere right there. Those metals will be aligned on top of this, okay, next week. So today actually is the end of the week here, and it's very good, like I get to show you this part. And also for those guys who are trying to construct or build their houses, at least now you guys know how to construct a house, okay? Yes, you guys now at least have some idea or the processes of constructing. Actually, one of these trappers looks like this. Let me show you. Another one is here. Looks like this. They're actually heavy, no joke. Okay. They're actually very heavy. You feel? They're actually very heavy. And so far, we've used more than 250. More than 250 of these trappers on top of this house. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Actually, really humble for you guys always subscribing to my channel, always following this channel, like always. You guys are always here to support me, and I'll say thank you so much. And that will be the end of the video. Thank you, my people. I love you all. Greetings from Africa. It's actually getting dark now. Look, what time is it? Oh, it's 10 minutes to 7 p.m. and that's how it looks like. Just a calm evening, very chill evening, a nice evening. This will be the end of the video. I want to say thank you one more time, and I love you, and peace out. In Swahili we say kwaheri. Kwaheri means bye bye. Ciao ciao, nos vemos luego.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Hola.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? Marwa.
My name is Mo.
We are in Hawaii.
We're at
yeah.
the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan. ¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to